If you wonder if you can use Gemini AI on Redmi A5, let me quickly tell you that no, there is no way to actually use Gemini AI. And if you go for the settings and go into the Google settings, right here you will be able to find settings for the Gemini AI and like possibility to set it up. But I couldn't find anything right here, so I went to Play Store and found the Gemini AI. And right here, as you type in the Gemini, you'll find this Gemini application somewhere. I just found it in a minute ago. Gemini AI, something like this. And this, as you can see right here, this app won't work for your device. So yeah, this basically, the Gemini AI isn't compatible with this phone, but I think that as an alternative you can use, for example, the ChatGPT or any other AI that you would like to use. So yeah, that's it.